Hey folks, before we get knee deep into this one, I want to give a little shout out to Brent and Miles out there in the Philippines from the Brent's World YouTube channel. Now let's get into it.
You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Okay folks, you are looking at the back barbecue area, or the back patio I should say. Little lady made me move the pizza oven out. I still have it. It's in the garage. It's poised and ready to be used out there in the garage. Yeah, she's got this big table here. And yeah, I still have the Feastal sitting here right now. And there is the smoker. And she also made me buy something. Now, I'm a little embarrassed. I'm gonna eat some crow here, but I've always kind of made fun of this store and their brands, and that'd be Walmart. But after doing a little research for what I wanted, it ended up being the best purchase. What is it? It's a propane grill. Expert grill. And I've even used it once. But what made me buy this instead of another brand? Again, I'm not in love with propane grills, so I wanted something basic. I don't need lights. I don't need the airplane flying over. I don't need gadgets, probes, or anything like that. I just want a propane grill that's got some decent quality about it. And I compared this Expert grill to the Charbroil brand as well as some others, and it ended up being the best in comparison. Charbroil, that thing cost over $500. This thing, after tax, here in Alabama, $300. So, penny pinching, making the little lady happy, and we're going to have the grandkids over with the daughter, and as well as their husband. So I bought it online through the Walmart site. Within an hour or so, went down to Walmart, pulled in their little parking spot, and they brought it out to me. How nice is that? But then I brought it home. The box is big, kind of cumbersome. I do have a hand truck, so I did get it back out in the back deck. Now the biggest complaint about this thing was putting it together. I didn't have any missing pieces or anything like that, no damage. It was packed well. Assembly was absolutely terrible though. This thing is nothing but a picture book. It might look like it's given great detail, but these pictures are distant pictures. Yeah, you got a couple close-ups, but it's like fadeaways. I need more detail, more instruction. How about putting something in English writing so I can figure this all out? Once I got it together, I was happy. Because the little lady's happy, then I'm happy. Let's look at the features. Can't believe I'm looking at an Expert grill and talking good about it. So it's got 5 burners. Each burner has an igniter. Charbroil doesn't. And each burner above the burners are stainless steel. Now the flare-up guards, whatever you want to call them, there's 5 of them as well, and they're much wider than some of the other brands, and they work pretty good because, as you can see, I did use it. And yeah, no flare-ups or anything like that. Yeah, and I did burgers, so burgers a lot of times will give you flare-ups. Little lady's mandatory requirement was having a side burner, which it has. And yeah, look at that pollen, whatever it is. So she's happy. It has its own igniter too. And another great thing about the igniter on this model is it's not one of them battery operated push button types, because those things are junk. These are put together really nicely, and the igniter is protected because they're all underneath the stainless steel burner. As you can see, the wheels or casters they're good. I like how these kind of extend out a little bit, giving it a little bit more wider wheelbase. It rolls around here pretty good. Got these doors here. I got some junk in here already, so very nice. I suppose you could put something in there if need be. And I did watch some other YouTubers review this thing, and they were saying that this magnet doesn't stick or hold the door shut good enough, but I don't know. To me, it sticks good enough. It sticks really good. It has the utensils holders, which is pretty cool. We got this drip pan right here. You can clean it, which I didn't do here yet. I'm going to. And you see that. This comes out from the front. You can clean it. It collects all that stuff from that drip tray.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
These grates I like the grates. They're kind of cast ironish. And this warming rack, it's not like such a pain in the neck if you don't want it there. All you gotta do is lift it up. Unlike some where you gotta fight with it. This one, you don't. So yeah, I'm eating some crow, buying some Walmart stuff, but to me it's okay. It's not a smoker, it's not a pizza oven. It's just a propane grill. And that's about all I have for now. So I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you all next time.